Hey guys, today I am going to start what is Next.js. Next.js is a React framework that make it easy to build fast, scalable and SEO-friendly web application. It provides features like server-side rendering, static site generation and API routes that help improve performance and development experience. Key features of Next.js: file-based routing, server-side rendering, static site generation, API routes, image optimization, SEO-friendly, middleware and edge function, incremental static regression. Why use Next.js? Better performance, improved SEO, full flexibility, easy development. You can install Next.js easily using npm, yarn or pnpm. How you can do it step by step. Step 1. Create Next.js app. Open your terminal and run any one of the following command using npx. Create copy yes. Successful. Minus tab, open. Go to the terminal. npm run it. Navigate to the project folder and start the development server npm run dev. This will be start local development server. Local development server. Thanks for watching.